Good morning, 26th of August here. Just a little quick update on where we are in the markets. Red is selling, green is buying. In liquidity terms here, we've seen some strong buying and we've had this pullback. This is in the SPX. The SPY, I think, is pretty much the same at the moment. Did have a stronger period of buying. I'd just like to add into that mix this extra irregular liquidity here. I've currently got it in a group setting and I've got it set on the MAG 7. And it just shows you that the MAG 7 is a little bit flat. Not necessarily, it has bumped up a little bit. We have got a little bit of selling at the moment. But the MAG 7 was the main driver here. We can see that there wasn't a lot of buying on Thursday in the SPY or in the SPIX, a little bit greener in the SPIX. But if we come down and we have a look here, we had quite a lot of buying in the afternoon in the different members of the MAG 7, and that's given us this bump up. If we just had a quick look at the IWM, it too had quite a strong buying in Thursday before it got this bump, and then it had a big selling day yesterday. It is evening out at the moment. So if we just have another look at that, we did have a little bit of buying into the close, but it was mainly a selling day yesterday in the SPY. And if we zoom out onto the 2 hours, we can see it's quite heavy, maybe middling. It's not getting sold very, very hard. If we have a look at the overnight futures, the positioning was a little bit off. We did have better positioning on Friday afternoon with less hedging. We did have quite a lot of hedging come in yesterday. Here, looking in the overnight, this is in a CFD in Europe. It's quite a good-looking chart, and we seem to be dropping away at the moment. We can see we've had quite a lot of buying during the day after selling yesterday. We have a quick look at the ES. The ES, it's just floating around the surface, is looking okay at the moment. If we have a look at the QWM had pretty good buying, and then yesterday sold off a tiny bit of buying into the close, but that buying is probably people buying back positions, trading during the day. A little bit above, a little bit of selling, very similar in the MAG. That could just be hedging coming into the NVIDIA. So NVIDIA too had some selling coming into the end of the day's trading. If that continues, if we go out and have a look at the longer term here on the 3 hour, we can see we're getting into some quite a loose period here. If we're that loose, or maybe even this loose, very loose, and lots of selling going on into earnings, I'm expecting quite a large pullback out of NVIDIA. It's got quite heavy hedging, long dated hedging on it at the moment. Anyway, I hope that you have a good day's trading on the 8th of August. Let's see how it plays out. I don't think that we really can tell what's going to happen with NVIDIA until we're into the last 2 hours trading tomorrow, Wednesday, before the earnings call. Anyway, have a great day's trading.